Ever stared at a Cognizant form and felt completely lost? Today, we're diving into the often tricky world of Cognizant business forms, so let's break it down step by step. First, locate the form. This usually means logging into your Cognizant portal and navigating to the relevant department's intranet page. Look for sections like HR, travel, or IT services. The form might be a downloadable PDF or an online submission. Next, understand the form's purpose. Carefully read the instructions at the top. They'll provide key context on what the form is for. Start with the basic personal information requested: your name, employee ID, department, and contact details. Ensure all fields are filled accurately, double-checking spelling and numbers. Now, move on to the specific details for your request. Forms often include sections with multiple-choice questions, checkboxes, and free text fields. Carefully select or provide correct information based on the instructions. If unsure, consult the provided resources or your supervisor for clarification. Finally, review your submission for accuracy. After completing all sections, meticulously review every answer. Check your work one last time. Once satisfied, submit the form through the designated channel. Many forms trigger an automated confirmation email. Remember to save a copy of the form for your records, and that's it. You've successfully navigated a Cognizant form.